Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Sebastian. Started a new YouTube channel here. Well, kind of new. I have some older videos in the past from years ago. I was doing some reviews on some cars. It's more of as like a hobby. And well, life got kind of away with me, and I got busy with kids, work, family life, and all that stuff. So I just didn't have time to film anymore. I want to get back into it. So I thought, what better way than maybe start to do a little build videos with my S4. This is my 2023 B9.5. I'll go over it in just a minute, where we're at with it. But feel free to subscribe if you want to see some content. I'm going to make some videos of the S4 as I go along with it. I'm going to make some more professional videos too, reviews for other vehicles. I'm going to do some vlog videos. And also maybe some quick POV drives with some friends' cars and stuff like that. So it'll be fun. I'll enjoy it. If you want to follow along, again, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join me on the journey. Anyways, let's get to it. Enough of me talking. Apologize if I feel a little awkward on the camera. I'm not really used to filming, but this is my 23 S4. I had it ordered. It's painted in Tango Red Metallic. This is the B9.5 generation. Not too many modifications done so far. I apologize if there's a lot of wind noise. It's insanely windy here today. I've done H&R Sport lowering springs. And on the inside, I have done tints, 10% on the side. I did 35% ceramic windshield tint. I've installed this Alcantara steering wheel. So that is not how it came with it. What else have I done? I've done ambient lighting in the doors. When I ordered this, it was like during the chip shortage, so I couldn't get the colored ambient lighting that it's supposed to come with. So it just came with the white. I really wanted the colors, so I took it to a shop called RVI1. They installed all where the OEM lights are, colored lighting. I can adjust it with my app. It looks really good. I could show you guys in a different video when it's nighttime. You guys can actually see it. I installed star headliner. Well, it's OEM headliner, but they installed about 1,200 stars into the headliner, which can be white, pretty much any color that I want, which is really awesome. But that's pretty much it as far as modifications so far. I do plan on tuning it and all that stuff, doing a bunch of cosmetics, so I will be making videos of that hopefully soon. As far as the spec, I have the Crescento red stitching with the black Napa leather. This is a newer option for 23s. It's called the Audi Sport Package. I think the 24s you can get it as well. It comes with this stitching color, which was strictly for the RS models for a while. And also you get the carbon fiber trim. Now it comes with carbon fiber, but this is like the weaved carbon fiber, so it's a little bit different. It comes with more of like a checkered style carbon fiber from OEM. I did the Bang & Olufsen sound system. It's a Premium Plus. Other than that, that's pretty much it as far as options. I can show you guys the engine. Just want to see that. It's got a 3-liter V6, pumping out 349 horsepower. Feels more than that, to be honest with you, though. But that's the engine, nice and clean. It's got a hot V turbo, it's called. So essentially, the turbo sits between the cylinders, right in the center of the V. That is to reduce lag. And this car does not have a lot of turbo lag, which is nice. Show you the front. I will do a little quick drive with you guys as well. And I'll do a POV drive too, so you guys can enjoy that and listen to the sound. I'll make a startup real quick, and you guys can check out the cold start as well. because this is technically my first video. Talk about the plans in a little bit. So like I said earlier, the channel is going to be mainly focused on my personal vehicle builds, vlogs with the cars, including like car meets and stuff. I'm going to do reviews on cars. It might be on brand new vehicles, or like from dealerships, or even people's personal cars. And I'll do quick POV drives as well. If I see somebody has a cool car and I can make a quick video for you guys, I'll be happy to do it. And then maybe some DIY stuff too. If you guys have any suggestions about the B9 community, if you guys have any ideas, you guys have had S4s, some do's and don'ts with different tunings and mods, please comment below and let me know. If you guys have any good ideas, maybe good lip spoilers I can install, I can make a video for as well. Just enjoy the content. I'll do a quick drive here. I'll be quiet. I'm trying not to talk too much. You guys can listen to it. Do a pull here. Sound never gets old. Love the damage shifts. Also, if you guys have good ideas for intakes too, let me know what the best one is. I would be looking to probably do like E85 and stuff in the future, so it would ideally have to be an intake that can actually support some big power. I might even go big turbo in the future, so that way I don't have to keep buying multiple intakes and just get one good one that'll last. There's a good back road coming up, so I'm going to switch to a POV drive, and I'll just let you guys enjoy the video. If you guys would like, show you how to do launch control. Essentially would have everything in the S mode, traction all the way off, floor to pedal and the gas at the same time. Watch the boost build up and then just let go. And you get VMAX shifts, which are brutal. Yeah, and that's a blast. Turn here and show you these lowering springs, how they handle, which is fantastic. I do have the Audi Sport package that does include the adaptive dampening suspension. It's kind of like a Magna-Ride system, which is really nice. Huge difference in comfort mode and huge difference in dynamic mode. It's quite stiff and dynamic, and comfort is just, I don't want to say air ride, but it's almost there. It's really, really nice. So if you are looking for a B9 S4 used or new, definitely get one with the S Sport package. You can tell it has it because it's got the red brake calipers. All right, let's do a pull here. otherwise pretty nice. Got good pull for stock. Handles great. It's comfortable. Massaging seats. I mean, what more can you want from a car? Anyways, I think we're gonna wrap it up here on this video. I'll do a quick outro, and I will see you guys there. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for today. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I know I really enjoyed making it, so I'll keep making more. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss the next videos I'll be making. And again, I really appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Until next time.